Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase development speed with GitHub, complete guide step by step clearly. To increase development speed with GitHub, start by creating a GitHub account if you don't have one yet. Once your account is set up, create a new repository for your project. Choose a clear and descriptive name for your repository to make it easily identifiable. Decide on visibility settings, public or private, based on your project's needs. Initialize the repository with a README file to provide an overview of your project. Clone the repository to your local machine using the command line or GitHub desktop. Navigate to your project directory and begin developing your application. Regularly commit your changes with clear and concise commit messages to maintain a good history. Use branches to work on new features or fixes without affecting the main codebase. Create a new branch for each feature using the command git checkout by feature name. Once your feature is complete, merge the branch back into the main branch. Use pull requests for merging to facilitate code reviews and discussions. Encourage team members to review your code through comments and suggestions in the pull request. Utilize GitHub Actions for automating workflows, such as running tests or deploying code. Organize issues and tasks using GitHub projects to streamline your workflow. Label issues according to their priority and status to keep everyone informed. Take advantage of GitHub's wiki feature to document your project details and guidelines effectively. Set up continuous integration / continuous deployment (CI/CD) tools to automate your deployment process. Leverage the GitHub community by searching for relevant libraries or tools that can speed up development. Regularly update your dependencies and libraries to ensure optimal performance and security. Communicate with your team using GitHub discussions or issues to resolve questions and share knowledge. Align your workflow with best practices, like performing regular code reviews to maintain code quality. Use GitHub Insights to track contributions and project progress over time. Familiarize yourself with GitHub's code search feature to quickly find relevant code snippets. By following these steps, you'll greatly enhance your development speed and efficiency with GitHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step